The RAV4 was the first crossover to break into the 40 mpg realm. Just as the competition thought they were closing the gap, Toyota raised the bar once again, upgrading the fans' favorite vehicle with a plug-in hybrid system, eye-catching design, and state-of-the-art cabin. Now it's time for the new round of changes that are going to bring drivers to tears, and if you stay until the end of the video, you'll find out 9 reasons why the Toyota RAV4 is a masterpiece. Number 9. Versatility. The Toyota RAV4 is a crossover for every occasion. The Toyota RAV4 isn't a best-selling crossover for no reason. Over the years, it has become a symbol of versatility, finding the right balance between the strength of an SUV and the handling of a car. Whether it's daily commuting, family trips, off-road adventures, or even light-duty work, the RAV4's various configurations have got you covered. All-wheel drive is available for several trim levels, giving the crossover the capability to handle snow, rain, and some wilderness exploration. Models like the TRD Off-Road are equipped with special suspension and tires, making them ideal for off-road excursions. Generous cargo space is an excellent choice for road trips or transporting bulky items. Storage area can be expanded to nearly 70 cubic feet thanks to the split folding rear seats. That's more than enough for camping gear or goodies from the home store shopping list. Number 8. Spacious interior packed with cool tech. Step inside the crossover and you'll find a cabin designed to impress all types of drivers. The cozy interior of the Toyota RAV4 offers comfort and convenience for both drivers and passengers, whether you're on a long road trip or a daily cruise around town. There's plenty of room to stretch out even in the back seat. The company has backed the RAV4 with the latest tech, keeping passengers connected and entertained wherever they go. The infotainment system features a 7-inch touchscreen on the base model, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. Higher grades offer a larger 10.5-inch screen, a premium JBL sound system, a wireless charger, and a 360-degree camera perfect for parking or maneuvering in tight spaces. Not everything here is about tech, but also quality. Soft touch materials, well-placed controls, and a driver-friendly layout make the cabin a pleasant place to be. You can add the obvious attention to detail and upscale feel even in the base trims. As you move up the hierarchy, you'll discover features like heated and ventilated seats, leather upholstery, and a panoramic sunroof. Number 7. Hybrid model fuel economy and overall performance. Another key reason to choose the Toyota RAV4 over most rivals is its impressive fuel economy of both the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The first one combines Toyota's legendary efficiency with well-known reliability, bringing green technology to the table without sacrificing performance. The hybrid version returns 41 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class. While a few crossovers come with slightly better gas mileage, they can compete with the RAV4 in other key areas. This kind of fuel efficiency means fewer trips to the gas station and more time enjoying the drive. The hybrid setup works smoothly with a 2.5-liter gasoline unit, providing instant torque for punchy acceleration, sprinting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. You can take a step further with the new RAV4 plug-in hybrid, which replaces the Prime version. Well, this is more than just a cosmetic update, as the system still produces 302 horsepower and covers 42 miles of electric-only range, but it's also quicker than the standard hybrid, clocking 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds. The PHEV configuration is luring drivers who can charge it at home or at work, significantly reducing fuel costs over time. Number 6. Tons of choices. Toyota understands that one size doesn't fit all, and the RAV4 shows this with a wide array of options. Starting with the drivetrain choices, the crossover offers a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder mill as the base source of power. 203 horsepower is an excellent result, especially keeping in mind that it can get 35 mpg on the highway. As you can notice, things get even better with the hybrid and PHEV editions, whose base is the same gasoline engine. Trim levels range from the base LE, which offers great value, to the top-tier Limited, which is backed with luxury features. For those who want a bit more ruggedness, the Adventure and TRD Off-Road grades provide enhanced capability for rougher terrains, thanks to features like all-terrain tires, 4-wheel drive, higher ground clearance, and unique suspension tuning. Beyond the engine and trim choices, the Toyota RAV4 offers a wide palette of colors, from bold hues like Blueprint and Supersonic Red to more classic options like Magnetic Gray Metallic and Midnight Black. Optional parts and accessories allow drivers to customize their ride further, whether it's roof racks for extra storage, mudguards for off-roading, or upgraded tech packages for enhanced convenience. Number 5. Toyota's commitment to safety. The company has a bold reputation for prioritizing safety, and the RAV4 crossover is no exception here. Toyota packs it with Safety Sense 2.5, a wide-ranging bundle of driver assistance features. The new RAV4 is designed to prevent accidents before they happen, thanks to the standard features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and dynamic cruise control. These systems work together to boost driver awareness and minimize the risk of collisions. A rear view camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert provide additional peace of mind on demand or on higher trim levels. Safety organizations award the RAV4 with top marks for crash test ratings year after year, making the crossover one of the top choices in this segment. There's no reason to believe this year's model could fail the test. Number 4. Gold standard in reliability. When it comes to longevity, the first automaker that comes to mind is Toyota, and the RAV4 is one of its finest products. Built to withstand the test of time, the crossover is engineered with precision and quality, which is why it consistently ranks as one of the most reliable vehicles money can buy. Toyota's reputation is well earned, with countless auto reports documenting hundreds of thousands of miles driven with minimal issues. Regular maintenance combined with legendary Japanese engineering ensures that the RAV4 was and will be a safe purchase, not only for today but for years to come. Number 3. Off-road adventurer. The crossover's capabilities aren't just impressive on the street, but it's also a vehicle that can take you almost anywhere. Certain trims like the TRD Off-Road and Adventurer are equipped with features that make off-roading a breeze. These models come with a special all-wheel drive system called dynamic torque vectoring. Usually, all-wheel drive systems adjust power distribution between the front and rear wheels, and DTV does it automatically and even between the left and right rear wheels. The RAV4 TRD Off-Road grade uses a specially tuned suspension designed for rough conditions. Toyota opts for Falk and all-terrain tires, although drivers can pick a suitable aftermarket rubber. Still, the default selection will get the grip covered on mud, dirt, and rocks. 8.6 inches of ground clearance allows easy navigation over obstacles, and skid plates protect key underbody parts. The TRD package also includes the multi-terrain select, allowing drivers to choose between different driving modes like mud and sand, rock and dirt, or snow. Hill descent control is standard on both TRD Off-Road and Adventure grades. Unfortunately, we won't see the TRD Pro on the compact crossover. Toyota reserves this upgrade only for its big SUVs. Number 2. Guaranteed resale value. The Toyota RAV4 is not just a smart purchase because of its initial quality, it's also one of the best vehicles on the market when it comes to retaining value over time. After 5 years, this vehicle typically only depreciates about 27%, so if you want to maximize the investment, the RAV4 is definitely a top choice. There are a few factors that contribute to the high resale value. First, Toyota's reputation for reliability increases the demand for used RAV4s, as buyers know that they're getting a vehicle that will last. Second, the crossover's superb performance and safety features make it a desirable option. And finally, the hybrid version can pay for itself through fuel savings in just a few years. Number 1. Overall value worth every penny. When it comes to value for money, the Toyota RAV4 surpasses expectations. With a $29,000 starting price for the base LE model, the crossover offers an affordable entry point into the market. However, even as you move up through the trims, the RAV4 continues to offer excellent value for features and accessories that you're getting. For example, the XLE Premium, priced at $33,500, adds a power liftgate, larger wheels, and upgraded interior materials, making it a great mid-range option. The XLE is the base version for hybrid models at a cost $32,000, but with 40 mpg combined, you'll recoup the investment in no time. At the top of the range, the limited edition offers luxury-level features like leather seats, a premium sound system, and advanced safety tech. You'll have to pay $38,000 for this pleasure if you want it with a standard engine configuration, or $41,000 for the hybrid-powered version. Toyota changed the name of the RAV4 Prime, and they now call it the RAV4 Plug-in Hybrid. Well, there are a few other cosmetic changes, but the new version gained $5,000 in value over the Prime model. Now the RAV4 PHEV starts at $43,865, and the hybrid exclusive models are the SE and XSE. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.